Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So today I'm gonna show you my Arduino Uno photoresistor. So in this sketch we have the code, and the code is an interactive LED bar that reacts to light. As the light hits the photoresistor, the photo cell increases, hence more LED lights up in sequence. So we have the global definitions in here, line 1, 2, and 3. So we have the cons int NBR LED. So this is the constant total number of LEDs. So we have the cons int LED pins. So this is the digital pins that are used in the Arduino Uno. We have the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 5 is the closest, and 12 is the further one. So we have the cons int photocell pin. So this tells the Arduino Uno that the light sensor is plugged into analog pin 0. So we also have the sensor level value. So this is a variable to store the raw data from 0 to 1023 from the sensor. We also have the LED level. So this is the variable to store the map value from 0 to 8, representing how many LEDs should be lit. So let's go to the function, setup function. So we have the void setup. So this we have the serial begin. So this starts the serial monitor. So I can see the lights numbers on my computer screen. I also have the for int LED equals 0 and less than NBR LEDs in iteration. So this is a loop that repeats 8 times. I also have the pin mode for the LED pins. So inside this loop, it sets each pin in our array from pin 5 to pin 12 as an output, so they can provide power to the LEDs. So let's go to the main loop here, the void loop. So this is the process. So we have the sensor value, and it's equals to analog read photocell pin. So this means the Arduino measures the voltage at analog 0. So darkness usually gives a low number, bright light gives a higher number. So when lights hits the photoresistor, the LED lights will lights up in sequence. So we have the serial print sensor value. So this display the light value in the serial monitor for troubleshooting. So we have the logic here for the sensitivity. So we have the LED level equals map. So we have the sensor value 450, 900, and 0. So this is the NBR LED plus 1. So this is the brain of the code here, the function or the logic process. So the 450 is the floor. Any sensor value below 450 is treated as 0. So this explains the comment about the first 4 LEDs requiring more light. So they won't even start flickering and if it doesn't pass the 450 standard. So we also have the 900 here. So this is the ceiling, or the higher is considered full brightness. We also have the NBR LED here plus 1. So I map this is map to 9 because it ensures the mat allows the 8 LED or pin 12 to fully activate. We also have the LED level here. So constraint LED level 0. So this keeps the LED level strictly between 0 and 8. It prevents the code from trying to light up a ninth LED which doesn't exist. So let's go to the display or the output. So we have the for int here. So if LED is less than LED level, so this compares the current LED or index 0 to 7 against the target level. For example, if LED level is 3, then LED 0, 1, and 2 pins 5, 6, and 7 receive a high signal on, and the remaining level up to furthest, which is pin 12, should receive a low signal. Low signal means off. And we also have the delay, which is the millisecond pause. So this is stabilize the reading so the LEDs doesn't flicker to aggressively if the light is changing rapidly. So so this is the full explanation. So I'm gonna provide the final output, which I'm gonna show in the moment. So this is the final output of the Arduino Uno photoresistor. So as you can see, we have the components here: the Arduino Uno, the breadboard, jumper wires, 8 LEDs, some resistors, and one photoresistor. So as lights hit the photoresistor, the first LED will light up, and eventually it goes to the furthest LED. So the closest the light is, the the higher the LED goes here, lights up. So I'm gonna show the light. So as you can see, it's reached the last LED. So I'm gonna take away the light. So the light goes away too. The LEDs lights off. So I'm gonna put it again. So as you can see, it's working. So I think that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.